Hey guys, what's up? Lyndon here. I am in Spain and I'm on my way to the UK for the LPR Festival, and I've got the competition bike with me, the 732 Factory Rally Adventure bike that you have the chance to win in the Lyndon Poskett Racing competition. And that's right, next Sunday, a week today, somebody is going to be the lucky owner of that very bike, because on Saturday the 24th of June at the LPR Festival on the Masterclass stage at 7 p.m, I'm going to do the draw for the competition. So for the first place, for the bike, and all the other prizes after that. Remember, there's 11 top prizes worth about £70,000 in total. So some massive prizes, and I can't wait to figure out who's going to win it. So a little bit of information on how we're going to do it. Basically, everybody that places an order for a ticket, don't worry. If you answered the question correctly, how many countries did Lyndon travel on Races to Places? If you answered that correctly and you bought a ticket, you have been put in the database to be part of the draw. If you bought multiple tickets, don't worry. Your order number is your ticket number plus a suffix. So for example, order number 1, order number 2, order number 3, like that. All the orders with the correct answer go into a big database, and then we do a random number selection on the number of correct competition tickets in the system. So if you answered it correctly, your ticket goes into the database, and then what we do, it's all done in order of ticket sales. So basically, if you're the first person to buy a ticket, then you'll be row number 1. If you're number 1000, you'll be row number 1000. But it's all done in order, and then we just do a random number selection, read the line across to the ticket number, and then I will read the name out. And for the bike, I'm going to try and contact the person there and then and try and speak to them, but it might not be possible. So but we'll try to call you. If we can't get hold of you, we'll contact you after. Same with all the other things. So all the information about how we've done the setup of the draw and how it's going to be done, the system we've used for random number and everything will all be available. You can see it. We'll try and record what we're doing at the show. It's all legit, all above board, and it's been tested already. It will be tested again before next weekend, so everything's going to be great. Can't wait to see who's going to win it. Good luck in the competition. If you haven't got your ticket yet, you've still got a week to get it, just under a week. Check out the link in the description below, go get your tickets, and really good luck. And I'll see you guys at LPR Festival, either at the festival in person, or I'll see you on the screen when I do the draw. Hopefully we'll have it streamed live, but we have to see what connection we've got and everything. But I'm looking forward to it. See you guys soon. Go get your tickets. Yes!